Thanks for joining us for the Purdue University-CME Group Ag Economy Barometer December 2023 survey results. I'm Jim Minter, Director of the Purdue Center for Commercial Agriculture, and I'm going to share with you the highlights of this month's survey. The Ag Economy Barometer index fell 1 point compared to a month earlier and was 12 points weaker than it was this time last year. The current condition index was down 1 point compared to last month and down 23 points compared to December of 2022, while the Future Expectations Index was down 1 point compared to November and 7 points lower than it was a year ago. The Farm Financial Performance Index improved by 2 points this month compared to a month ago and is now up 11 points since September. Once again this month, we asked producers what their biggest concerns are for the upcoming year, and high input costs remain a top concern among producers, but lower crop and livestock prices was now the second biggest concern expressed by producers this month. The Farm Capital Investment Index was up 1 point compared to a month earlier and now is up 8 points compared to October. The short-term Farmland Value Expectation Index was down 4 points compared to a month earlier, primarily because more producers said they look for values to weaken in the upcoming year. In this month's survey, we asked producers what their expectations are for consumer inflation in the upcoming year. And 70% of the producers in the survey said they think inflation will be less than 4% in the upcoming year, and just 13% said they expect inflation to exceed 6%. That compares to a year ago when roughly half of the producers in the survey said they thought inflation would exceed 6%. This month's survey also included a question where we asked producers what their expectations are for prime interest rates in the upcoming year. Roughly 1/3 of the producers in the survey said they expect to see interest rates decline over the upcoming 12 months, and just over half of producers said that they feel like interest rates will either remain unchanged or decline in the upcoming year. That wraps up the highlights for this month's survey. The full report is available on the Purdue CME Group Ag Economy Barometer website, which is purdue.edu/agbarometer. And you can also get some more details on our podcast, Purdue Commercial AgCast, which is available on major podcast providers and at purdue.edu/commercialag. And you can also join us for the Purdue Top Farmer Conference, which will be held on January 5th of 2024. You can take part in the conference either in person in West Lafayette or online. Information on this conference is available at purdue.edu/commercialag. On behalf of the Center for Commercial Agriculture, I'm Jim Mintert. Thanks for joining us.